I made 2 how to blow up a modeling balloon videos, and people still are having trouble. So I have one more.
Is it a hamster?
No, this is my microphone.
Oh.
I have one more trick to teach you how to blow up a modeling balloon to make balloon animals. This is Kelly.
Hey,
She's my wife. Do you know what you're here for?
to blow up a balloon.
Have you been able to blow up a balloon by yourself without a pump before?
No.
She's gonna help demonstrate if this trick, this one trick, will actually work. Okay, I'll use the green one. Step 1, the same as the previous videos. If you haven't seen them, you can find them in the corners. You warm it up. So you just give it a nice little stretch. Okay, the moisture from your mouth is actually gonna help it expand.
Gross.
So what you wanna do is you wanna hold maybe a 1/2 inch away. This is a loose grip, 1/2 inch away from the nozzle. And then you wanna hold about maybe 2 inches down. This is a tight grip. No air can pass through this. Some air can pass through this. And your peak of your breath should be at twice the resting length between your fingertips. One length, this is about twice the resting length. And all you want is a bubble. That's the technique.
Okay, I cannot do this if you can't do it.
I'm seeing stars. So let's try the trick. You might think it's weird. It's still the same thing. Loose grip here, tight grip here. Take this part in between your fingertips. And then again, loose grip here, and you want to put it in your mouth. And then you just want to suck in as much as you can. And inside, inside your mouth, this is going to blow up. You're going to get that bubble.
Shut up.
And once you get that bubble, you're going to pinch off the loose grip. You gotta do it hard.
I can't do it. Lost your bubble.
That's okay. Once you have the bubble, it'll come back easy. Oh no, I didn't do it. We're gonna try these other balloons. Take some breaks. It's important. All right, do the same thing. Loose grip here, tight grip here. No air can pass through. I was doing it at work the whole day. I was like, this is definitely gonna work. Oh, you did it!
Come on! Don't get rid of my bubble.
Now that you have your bubble, you've had your bubble. The air should weaken the walls of the balloon, so now you can get the first bubble easier. Light, 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 and then blow hard on the side. Oh, you had it. You almost had it. Okay,
I'm dizzy.
take breaks.
It's a lot of effort.
It is a lot of effort. It's really hard. Here, I'll try with this. I'll try with a new one, this purple one. Because the goal is just to get the initial bubble. Once you get the initial bubble, like, you're good. I'm able to do it. Like, you can do it.
Oh, there you go.
Hey!
Ah! One little nugget.
One little nugget is better than no little nuggets. Oh, hey, look at that!
I'm gonna pass out.
You did
It
it.
hurts.
You did it.
I did it. Dash.
How hard was it?
Hard.
In general, blowing up a balloon by mouth is really hard. The takeaways here, as warm as you can make this balloon, loose grip on top, tight grip on bottom, 2-3 inches away from each other. If this doesn't work, take this part and you're going to suck in while keeping this loose. And then once you get the bubble, you should be good. That was extra hard. At the end of the day, if you have a pump, just use it. But if you have to blow it up by mouth, this is the one tip that may or may not work. Right? Cool.